The reason I am here is for you to help me speak to him. You're the only one he listens to. Please, mind, deter him from marrying this young maiden.
Okay. Based on what you said now, I will make time and talk to her this evening. I will. It's okay. You came looking for me? Are you okay? What? Hold on. What is that? What? When did this start? What's your problem?
The man with the strength of 10 warriors, with the skill of 5. Ikoro! Monka!
Mayo. Iko. Yeah. Nataba. The strong man of my land. The king and all the elders of Akuma kingdom appreciate the role you played in our victory over the people of Umuatani. You are the one that gave us that victory. It is on that note I decided to come personally and present this as my own gift to you. I decided to present it to you personally.
Chiamadi, thank you. I appreciate the gift from the elders. Chiamadi, there are more words in your heart than your mouth has spoken. It's written all over you. What is it?
You are a strong man of our land, and the gods gave you the kind of strength they have not given anybody, and it is on the account of that strength that we just got victory. But don't you think that this reckless life you are living with so many women is not the best? Don't you think?
The gods give strength to the strong and victory to the brave.
So you actually think this is all about strength? There are warriors before you. Warriors from this kingdom and even beyond, who were stronger than you are. And they were destroyed, not in battlefields. They were destroyed in the laps of women. What does that tell you?
Ichamadi, do not worry about me. I am always careful and smart. I shall not go down like other warriors.
This has got nothing to do with being smart. The possibility of the destruction of the man, even the warrior, is multiplied in the multitude of women. I want you to ponder on that.
Iche, before you leave, tell me what you want. I will send one of the maidens to get it for you.
The fierce warrior of Akuma Kingdom. Ojia. Ijia.
Iko, the gods chose me for you. I promise to fight with you till the end of time. I promise to sacrifice everything for you. And I promise to love and respect you.
Olama.
It's him.
It's who?
Iko, the great warrior of our land.
What do you have to do with Iko?
The gods chose him to marry me.
What? But all the maidens in this kingdom want him. They all throw themselves at him. How are you going to compete with...
The gods chose him for me. They just showed me. They will find a way to bring us together.
Olama, how about Olisa?
I want to go and check on my jobs. Did all the animals relocate? Or they saw me and ran away? Yeah. Last trap, I am coming to you. Do not disappoint me. Last trap. Thank you for not disappointing me. I will take this meat and make a very huge pot of oha soup for my Ikoro. I am sure he will like it.
My priestess, there is no sign of him. Do we find him to his hurt?
No. We need not to find him to his hut. He needs to find me.
But there is no sign of him.
Yes. There is no sign of him today. Maybe tomorrow. Or a day after. Or next. We'll continue to walk through this path until we encounter him. Let's go.
Who are those maidens? I have never seen them before.
Hola, ma. Hola. Oh, Mama. Where are they? Or should I Should I leave these gifts here and go, or should I? No. Let me wait. I'll wait. Let me wait. It's my love you are talking about here. At least. Okay. Hey! I know she will like this one. Let me wait. I'll wait. There is no seat. Okay, let me go. Let me grab the seat.
Greetings.
Greetings, Solomon. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm on my way to your house to see you. And
Oh.
you're taking food to somebody?
Yes. Ikoro.
Ikoro? Oloma, Ikoro. You too?
Ikoro is our hero. And this is my way of showing appreciation. You should find some time too to say thank you. I have to leave now. Three maidens, one on his left leg, the other on the right, and the last one on his shoulder. How can one explain what they are doing? How can one explain what they are doing to the great warrior of Akoma Kingdom? I am disappointed. I am disappointed, Ikoro! Disappointed!
No. I love your daughter. I want to marry your daughter. And I can take care of your daughter.
Olisa, I know how much you love my daughter. I do not have any doubts in my heart. But it's not me you seek to marry. It is my daughter you seek. Go ahead and tell her all this. And not me. I shouldn't be the one you're pouring your heart to. Pour it out to my daughter.
No. I have told and talked to Olama. But she's not seeing reasons. She's not even thinking about it. That is why I'm here. To tell you and to beg you. Help me talk to her. Help me talk to her. Ne. This is for you. This is to show you how much I love your daughter. How much I can take care of your daughter. And talk to her for me. Ne, let me take my leave.
Okay. Ikoro, the great warrior of Akuma Kingdom, I have a question to ask you.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Ikoro, this is the ground beautifully made and authorized by Igwe Omeife Masleya, the king of Akuma Kingdom, for the neighboring kingdoms to exercise their strength with you. History has it. Anytime a wrestling contest is being set, you win them without stress. Why do you always come here to relax? Ikoro.
Like you said, history has it. History leads me here. And I want you to mark this day. History will guard something beautiful to me on this very ground.
He seemed not to find me attractive. Is it that he doesn't want me? But the gods chose him for me. Why then did he not approach me or at least show some sort of interest in me?
Are you alright?
I'm fine, Nonne.
But your face says a different thing.
I said I am fine.
You took food to Ikoro. I think it did not go well, right? Because I saw him with other maidens, right? You don't need to struggle over a man. You have a nobleman that seeks for your hand in marriage. Odessa was here earlier. You need to give it a serious thought. I am your mother. I am telling you the truth.
But Nne, the gods chose Ikoro for me.
All I might ask you, are you sure? You saw and heard clearly from the gods.
Ikoro, look at the farmlands at you. Yes.
My kingdom.
Yes.
Blessed.
Your kingdom is blessed.
Yes.
Your kingdom is indeed blessed. Look at it. Everywhere is peaceful because we have Ikoro. Beautiful maidens are coming. Ikoro.
Who is she?
Greetings, great warrior of Akuma Kingdom.
Greetings. I have never seen you before. Are you from this kingdom? Where are you from? Sorry, I'm just trying to be inquisitive. You are very beautiful. I mean, you are pretty.
Thank you so much, great warrior.
Where are you going?
My father sent me on an errand.
Oh, your father sent you on an errand. That means you should be in a hurry. So, when can I see you again?
Wait for me at that beautiful ground built by your king, where you defeat all the warriors from other neighboring kingdoms. Wait for me there, for I pass through this path every 2 Eke market days.
Okay.
I shall be on my way.
Ikedia, I've fallen in love.
It is worth it.
I have fallen in love.
It is worth it.
It is worth it. I have fallen in love, Ikedia.
It is worth
I've fallen in love. I've fallen in love.
It is worth it. It is worth it. It is worth it.
He spoke to a strange lady. He spoke to her with so much softness. And he complimented her. He complimented her like a man in love.
How about the revelation that says he's going to marry you? Are you sure you saw the revelation?
I am confused. I am. Why is he searching for a wife in other maidens? Why?
Are you sure you saw the revelation?
No, you doubt me. You doubt my revelations. I don't like that. Clearly shows that he is the man for me.
Olama, I am sorry. I am not doubting your revelations. Just that it is very obvious that Ikoro does not clearly know about this supposed marriage arrangement by Yochi. And he's going about it his own way. Is it not right that Yochi should reveal it to him? Because a woman is not in the right place to approach a man in marriage matters. He should be the one to approach you and properly ask for your hand in marriage before any marriage can take place between you and him. Maybe you should consult your chi again, but this time very clearly. hear very clearly. Because Olisa is a noble man. If you miss this opportunity, you may never get it again. Because a man cannot chase after a maiden forever. Once that chasing time is expired, he may never come again.
Iko, when you see a young man who has decided to set out on a mission to fill every hole before him, then I will tell you that young man is headed for the grave. The bosom of a strange woman is like a bottomless pit that nobody can fill. I am advising you, stop making effort to fill all the holes that even your forefathers were not able to fill. Iko, by every standard, you are favored by the gods. And that is why they have given you the kind of strength that is unmatched by anyone. But from the way you are going, you are heading towards the path of destruction. And it gives me worry. If you will listen to me, pick a wife. Or if one is not enough, pick 2 wives and settle down.
Ichie, I've heard what you said. And I appreciate your words of advice.
Good.
But I want you to put your mind to rest. I shall not go down by any woman. I have found a maiden I want to marry.
Interesting. And who is this maiden?
Her name is Amoma.
Amoma. Where is she from?
She's not from this kingdom. She's from Umuabane. Umuabane kingdom. Ichie, do you know the place?
Umuabane kingdom. I have never heard of that kingdom before. Kebody. Odiseba.
Ikoro. Ikoro.
Olama, wait! I thought you are here to see me. What is it? Or you want us to go inside?
I have something I have something to say to you.
Go ahead, I am listening.
You know I am a diviner, and I had a revelation.
Concerning me?
Concerning the woman you are to marry. Ikoro, the gods chose you for me.
The God said that to you?
did not believe me! You did not believe anything I said to him! I did not believe you! Ikoro thinks I'm lying! He thinks I'm lying! Olama, did you tell him about the revelation? Hey! No! Why would you do a thing like that? I've told you a million times. It is not the responsibility of a woman to approach a man for marriage matters. You should have allowed your connector to reveal it to him so that he will come and approach you, beg you to marry him. What have you done? You have cheapened yourself, making yourself so small before him. Where lies your respect as a woman? Your pride?
The warrior I'm about to marry is not on the backyard.
Come on, shut up your mouth over there. Don't try it again next time. What is wrong with you? Come. See, I've warned you severally to stop that nonsense. Don't you see I'm here?
Who are you? Who are you?
I'm the one the warrior wants to marry. Okay?
That would be in your dreams. Because you see Ikoro. Ikoro is a man I must marry.
My friend, just keep quiet. Don't ever repeat that again. I don't want to hear it from you ever again.
Well, I feel you're talking to yourself because the truth is, you're daydreaming. So I'll just allow you live in your daydream. Rubbish.
Stupid girl.
Are you leaving?
Just get out!
Ikoro is mine and mine alone. For the records. Ah, you're very, very stupid.
Look at them. Bunch of fools.
Oh, please.
I don't even know I'm the one he wants to get married to.
Excuse me. I want to marry.
Don't say that. Hachi showed her that she will get married to him. So please let her be.
Get married to who?
Ikoro, of course.
Ikoro, of course.
Oh yeah, please wait for me now.
Ulama, wait. Ulama, wait. Ulama, wait. Where are you running to?
I have to go somewhere now.
Oh, yeah, wait.
Okay.
Why are you rejecting my proposals now? Ulama, why are you rejecting me?
Olisa, I do not reject you.
Ulama, listen to me. Ulama, I love you, and I have what it takes to take care of you. Ulama, I have land. Ulama, wait.
Olisa.
Wait.
Olisa, if it's the will of the gods that we should be together, then so be it.
Ulama, it is the will of the gods. The gods directed me to you, Ulama. It is the will of the gods.
Then let the gods lead my heart to you.
Ulama!
The great warrior of our time. I am
hungry. Do not worry yourself. Go home and eat.
The great warrior of our time. Actually, it's not as if I wanted to go home. But since you say I can go home and eat, thank you very much. Thank you. You shall remain the strongest. You shall not be defeated by any other warrior. The great warrior of our time. Can I go now?
before you admire my beauty some more. Adore me. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Good. My father didn't have any errand to send me like he used to.
No problems, my queen.
I came because I know you were waiting for me.
Thank you for coming, my queen. No, they can stay back. I want us to take a walk.
Ikadi. Ikadi. Please. Where is Ikoro?
Why are you asking me, and why are you running as if something is after you? Huh?
Ikadi, please tell me where he is. His life is in danger.
What did you say? Ikoro's life is in danger. Huh?
Yes.
Ha! And you are the one to rescue him. Wait, which of the Ikoro are you talking about? Is it the warrior of Akuma Kingdom?
Ikadi, please do not frustrate my life. Where is Ikoro?
Oh, you should have told me now. So you want Ikoro too? Eh? You want Ikoro? You should have just said it now. Why are you pretending? Okay, go forward. Just go. You see him where he's seated. Eh? He's just there waiting for his dream wife. But I am very sure she will not come. So you can go there and keep him company. Go.
You left him there by himself. That's exactly what she wants.
Left you alone. Exactly what who wanted. Don't worry, just be going. Make sure you keep him company. Oh, me, I'm going home since he doesn't want to go home. Let him sit there. You should be there.
It's you, Ikoro, the fierce warrior of Akuma Kingdom. I've heard so much about you.
What have you heard about me?
That you have the strength of 10 warriors and the skill of 5.
Well, let's just say the gods favored me to be able to defend my people.
Your people must be very proud of you, especially the maidens. I know they must be all over you.
But I'm all over you. That is what matters. My queen.
Ikoro! Ikoro! Ikoro!
So tell me, who are they? Your guards or your maids?
My father assigned them to go with me wherever I go.
There must be fighters to be assigned to protect you.
They are. But not as fierce as you are. But at least they can protect me from wild animals and anyone who tries to attack me.
You're royalty?
My father is a wealthy farmer and he doesn't joke with me.
I see.
I must go now. Wait. You waited so long for me. What do you want from me?
Same reason you came all the way. Even when your father did not send you on an errand. Amoma, I am in love with you. I want you to be my wife. Tell me when to meet with your father, the wealthy farmer, and I shall come with the strength of 10 warriors and skills of 5.
Kwano potani anchiwe mechoki ndio potani sina kipunso pwani enuwa na nukwa kukwani amumamiri kwano potani anchiwe mechoki ndio potani.
Ikoro, I think you should consider her advice. Take it seriously.
There is nothing serious about her warning. First, she had a revelation that I would marry her. And then a second revelation that her mama would kill me. You and I know that is not possible. 5 warriors, real combat warriors, cannot take me down, let alone her mama and her female warriors. I don't think those revelations are true. She's just jealous.
But why, Amoma? But why, Amoma? It's almost as if I'm shouting. Why, Amoma? Why? Okay, don't you like another maiden from this kingdom? Or even our friendly neighboring villages? Why would you be dying for a woman that you don't even know where she comes from?
Wherever she came from, soon we shall know. Do not worry yourself. She cannot hurt us.
Igor, I'm worried for you. I am worried. Hey!
Greetings. You asked to see me.
Yes. I have a similar problem.
We do?
Yes, of course. Amuma. I don't like her too. So you and I don't want Amuma for Igoro. Fine. All the advice you gave fell on deaf ears. I know who he can listen to. That is his uncle, Amade. Tell this your revelation to him. Because Ikoro is planning to embark on a journey to meet with Amuma's father. Do what you have to do to stop this.
Trading on a dangerous path with the wrong person.
You're walking on a dangerous path with my husband. Whatever your plans are, it has been revealed.
Stay away from my affairs.
Stay away from my husband.
Your husband. Stay away from my affairs. I would not want you again.
Hello, my greetings. What brings you to my airport?
Nai, there is imminent danger.
Danger?
Yes, Nai.
What is it?
Nai, I had a revelation. Ikoro, our hero, he was slain by the young maiden he wants to get married to.
You mean Amuma?
Yes, Nai. Nai, there is something strange about those ladies. I bent my head and I looked over my leg. Nai, there is something mystic about Amuma and her girls.
Are you sure about all this?
Yes, Nai, I'm very sure.
And did you manage to warn Ikoro about her?
Nai, I spoke to Ikoro, but he refused to heed my warning. The reason I am here is for you to help me speak to him. You're the only one he listens to. Please, Nai, deter him from marrying this young maiden.
Okay. Based on what you said now, I will make time and talk to her this evening. I will. It's okay. Malama, you came looking for me? What is it? Are you okay? What? Hold on. What is that? What? When did this start? What's your problem?
Olama,
What happened to you? Please talk to me. What happened? Talk to me. My child, please talk to me. Did you encounter something? Did you see anything? Did anyone hurt you? What is it? Chiolama. Connector Lama. Can't you see her not being able to talk? People should say something. Why are you looking at me like that? Look at her and make her talk. You will not do anything. How you? Why are you her connector? You cannot talk. What happened? Tell me what happened now. What happened? What happened?
Give her to drink.
Hi! What are we going to do to bring her out of this situation? She still cannot talk. Come try, please. Breathe. Hi!
She must have encountered some evil spirits in the forest and they made her dumb.
What? So what are we going to do to bring her out of this ugly situation? I don't think she's going to remain dumb forever. She's struggling and struggling to talk. It's not coming out. So
I will try 3 possible cures tomorrow. And if at the end she cannot still speak, you have to take her to Amanasa. There is a healer there named Kangwo Agamagwalele. He may be able to heal her.
What happened to you? What happened to you? You cannot even tell me what happened to you. Who did this to you? What am I going to do?
I have to fetch some herbs in the forest. Let me take my leave.
It's alright. Hi!
There's a problem. Iago, what is the problem? Talk to me because I am not comfortable. That is why I'm here.
I have accessed the 7th realm. And still, nothing has been shown to me about her.
Listen, I am not asking for too much. Just basic information. Who is her father? Where is he from? That's all.
Nothing has been shown to me.
How will I take this from you, Iago? I mean, what does that mean?
It could mean one of 2 things. Either Amuma is not human, or she has hidden her spirit that no one will see anything about her.
We have never seen anything like this before.
Have you heard? Have you heard?
Heard what?
Olama has suddenly gone dumb Oh yes! She suddenly cannot speak.
Olamma the diviner.
Mom! She suddenly lost the ability to speak. Hey! Ikoro, I don't think she is making up this one. Mbano, she is not making up this particular one. Because Amango was at their house. He tried all he could. He added extra forces. Amango tried and tried and tried and tried. Ikoro, I would like to advise you, as a friend, I want you to cease going to see Amuma's father tomorrow. Biko. Biko. Ikoro, did you hear what I said? Did you hear what I said?
Equally, there is a problem. I took out time to go make inquiries about this maiden you have decided to make your wife. Strangely, there is no information about her. Nothing at all.
What does that mean?
The same question I asked Iyagu. And he said it could be either of two things. That she is not a human, or that she may have hidden her spirit in a way that no seer will be able to see anything about her. Either of the two is good. None of them is good. Even when I've been wondering, and it is on the strength of that that I am telling you we are not embarking on this journey tomorrow.
Jay, you know I'm a man with the strength of 10 warriors and skill of 5. A man is defined by his spoken words. I assure Amoma I shall be there tomorrow, and I am not planning to fail.
Are you not supposed to be bothered that there is no information whatsoever about the woman you want to make your wife? Listen, I am not asking you not to marry her. I am just saying you should pause whatever thing you are planning. Let us get to know who she is. Is that too difficult to ask?
I shall be there tomorrow. I cannot fail. We shall be there.
Ginonya, count me out. No, if you are not going to listen to me, then you count me out. I am talking to you as the elder in the family and you are not listening. Listen to me. What an old man sees sitting, a youth, even if he climbs the tallest Iroko tree, will not see that. When the ear refuses to listen, when they cut off the head,
the ear goes with it. Don't get me there.
I heard what happened to Olamma.
Nanekwamo, look at me. My world is ended. My life has finished. I don't know what else to do with my life. Look at my daughter. She cannot talk.
Has Amako given her any treatment?
Amako has given her all the treatment he knows and none worked on her. She still cannot talk.
Is there any solution again?
Amako said there's a healer he knows that can heal her.
Okay, so where is this healer?
He said he's in Amanasa. His name is Kangwoma Walili.
Amanasa?
Yes.
Kangwoma Walili. Let's go. Let's go. No, let's go now. Let's go. Let's go immediately.
No, thank you.
Let's go.
Can you hear me? Ha! She has only gone deaf. She's not only not talking now, she's gone deaf. She can't even talk again. Ola, look at me. Just look at me.
You get warrior plan. Get me. What are all these for?
Is that the question? Protection. Self-defense. You know, I don't know where I am going to. So I want to be sure that I am safe. So you handle this one while I handle this one. All right.
Ikedia, I am going to see my in-laws to be. All these things are not necessary.
Iko, you're throwing your self-defense away. Okay. Another one is too tall. Now, this one is shorter. At least you can conceal it in your robe. No one will see it. It is not stressful. Handle it. You need it. I even went as far as getting a charm for myself. So that if anybody should try me, if I see any strange movement, kill it.
Please, let's go.
Let's go.
Ikedia.
Any strange movement. Suffocate the person. I want to be sure and safe. Yes. Need self-defense. You don't have to run from self-defense. Always guard me. On guard. On guard. What's wrong with it? Take it easy. We are not yet. We are not there yet. You might be attracting. You might be looking for others.
Hey! Who did I offend? Why you come major?
If you are a spirit or spirits from the neighboring kingdom or kingdoms, or you are metamorphosed, as she drinks from this keg, leave her at once.
Are you alright? Are you okay? Are you alright? Yes.
Hey!
I need to talk to Maya.
Baby, thank you.
Ikoro. He's about to go down. Did you hear that?
Hear what?
Didn't you hear the sound? Huh? Is that a normal sound?
The only thing I can hear are birds chirping.
No, now. Pay attention, you will listen to this sound and you will understand that these are not birds. These are not birds. These are horror sounds. Can't you hear them?
I can only hear the fear in you. Come on, let's go. We're almost there.
Ikoro.
Come on, let's go.
Ikoro. Is Ikoro no longer here? Ikoro, yeah. Why are you talking things that concern your life? Huh? Ikoro, listen to me. Ikoro, listen to me. Where can we? Okay. Ikoro, look. At least listen to me. Ikoro, if I die, my blood will be on your head. Ikoro. Where is he going to? Ikoro. Never. You can. I want.
Ikoro! 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 Ikoro!
He has finally embarked on that journey, despite all my warnings.
No, we have to save him. No, we have to rescue him.
There is nothing we can do now. It is too late already.
Nine, you're leaving. Nine, wait. Nine.
He who dances to the tune of the spirits should be ready and prepared to entertain whatever is thrown at him. His destiny is in his hands.
Please don't go. Nine, come back now. Come and talk to him to do something. Nine, wait. Nine. Come back now. Let's help him now. We're not going to help him again. Nine, Bikonu. Ikoro. Ikoro.
At some point, I think this Ikoro does not have conscience.
Did you notice that that lady that was shot at the canopy? Did not do that. Maybe I'll forget about it. Wow, but I don't do there is
Amoma, the daughter of the rich farmer. I am pleased to be here.
Greetings, the great warrior of Akuma Kingdom. Welcome to Umabani Kingdom.
Thank you. You look more beautiful.
Thank you. And you look more handsome. At some point, I thought you were not coming.
And I did. Did we not? Did I not?
We are here.
I know you must be hungry and tasty. My father is expecting you.
Good.
My father, the great farmer, is aware that you are coming with Ikoro, my betrothed.
You don't mean it. Your father knows me.
He has asked that one of the maidens become your love.
Stop kidding me.
Yeah. The gods of Oma Abani has favored you.
Who am I? Who am I?
My queen.
Let me have the sliced orange. In Umabani Kingdom, once a maiden finds someone she loves, she gives him this orange.
Okay.
And once you lick it, you will hardly taste again. Take this as a part of me.
Thank you, my queen. You are so sweet.
Who am I? Igoro. From the look of things, Igoro, my main brother, has taken his maidens to somewhere perfect for him. Onyekambo, who am I? And let me take my own maiden. People should don't give me. People should don't give me. I'm not fighting again. I'm not running again. People should don't give me. Let me die. If I'm dead. Ikoro! If I die, my blood will be on your head. My blood will be on your head. Yeah! Yeah!
Did you hear anything? No, they did not say anything. Oh, hey. No, wait. No, did you talk to...
I think something bad has happened to my betrothed. I'm so scared. Oh, I'm so scared.
You're getting me more scared. Do not say something bad about our great warrior, please.
Ikoro. My Ikoro. The great warrior. The warrior with a strength of 10 and a skill of 5 will be returning back to this kingdom. And when he does that, I will be preparing to come back here.
Did you see anything? Maybe your second prophecy has been fulfilled. And we have to prepare our mind that he's been killed. You tried to warn him, he wouldn't listen to you. You have no fault here. It's high time you consider Lolisa.
Mother, please. Please stop.
What is the truth?
Nne, if the second prophecy has been fulfilled, what happens to the first one? Why has it not come to fruition?
Because stop deceiving yourself. They don't talk, they don't listen, they don't hear you. What are you still doing there?
My queen, I hope you have not forgotten that I am the warrior with the strength of 10 warriors and the skill of 5. I fell in love with you. I continued to love you till I got here. I fought all obstacles. But since I got here, I have not set my eyes on your father, the rich farmer. What is going on, my queen?
My father, the rich farmer, is all the neighboring kingdoms that you have refused them to defeat you. One of the kingdoms metamorphosed into me. Ikoro, the great warrior, with the strength of 10 warriors
and the skill of 5. We brought you here to destroy you once and for all, so that the kingdom of Ashaka can penetrate your kingdom freely.
Nai.
What is it?
Nai, Ikadi is back and he said Ikoro has been captured.
He sealed his fate when he decided to embark on that journey.
Nai, please. We need to rescue him. We just need to go and rescue him. Please.
Rescue him how? It is 2 days already since he went missing. How are you sure he's not here? He has not been killed.
God forbid. Nai, may you never repeat that again. Nai, my first revelation has been fulfilled, but the second one has not yet been fulfilled. That means he's still alive. We just need some able-bodied men to go and rescue him.
How are we going to do that? No one knows where this evil girl came from.
Ikadi knows. Yes, he does. We just need full able-bodied men that will help me rescue him. I will lead the search.
Listen, even our enemy kingdoms, they now know of Ikoro's capture. And they are planning to attack us. You should know this. We cannot afford to lose the young men that should be defending our kingdom. The king will not approve of this.
Now give me 2 men.
2 men for what?
I will lead the search and bring him home. 2.
Olama, please. You don't have to sacrifice your life for this man, Ikoro. You don't have to go there. Remember, you've been through a lot already. How about me? You don't even care about me. What if something happens to you? How do you think I will survive?
Nothing will happen to me. Ikoro, he's our hero. And sometimes heroes, they need saving too. I just want to go and rescue him. Nothing will happen to me. I promise, Nne. Nothing will happen to me.
Don't go. Don't go. For my sake, don't go.
Mama, why are you doing this? Mama, why do you want to do this? Because of Ikoro. He doesn't even love you. Mama, I love you. I love you. And now you are about to lay down your life for him. This is an impossible mission. You can't go anywhere.
Olisa, you're a very good man. And I wish it's a different circumstance. I am not laying my life down for him. I am fulfilling my destiny. I am just going there to rescue him. Please, do not stand in the way of my destiny.
Olama, please.
Nay.
Please.
You're not going anywhere. Listen to me. When you were deaf, when you were dumb, I was there for you. Olama, that is love. When you were sick, I was there for you. Olama, I gave you everything. Everything, Olama, everything. Olama, why do you want to break me like that? Why do you just want to do this?
Olisa, please.
He wants to stand for him. Who will stand for me?
I have to go. Please don't go. Please don't go. Wait.
Olama.
You are about to embark on a dangerous journey. You shall be dealing with spirits and not humans. But you shall be very careful about the tricks of the spirits. But the gods will see you through. You shall go and return. No evil shall befall any of you. You can go now. Go now. May the gods guide and protect you.
If there is any other sacrifice that will be required, even as they have gone, let me know and I will provide.
I will just let you know. That won't be a problem. But they will go and return, as the gods have said.
thank the gods I saw you.
You don't need to thank the gods that you saw me or see me, whichever. You ask me and I will tell you the reason why you are thanking gods.
Okay, dear, please be serious. I am not joking here.
You people are coming from Iyago Shrine. You're coming from Iyago Shrine. Before he administered the protection process on you people, he told you that I shall be the one to take you to Umabani Kingdom.
Yes.
But trust me, I will lead you people. But once it gets to the boundary, I will return.
Ikedia.
Ikedia, why will you take us to the boundary and decide to go back? Are you not a warrior?
Listen to me, don't...
Ikedia, see. Join us. Let us join forces together and save Ikoro. Remember, you are the only person that can take us to Ikoro.
Listen to me. Do not get me angry. Now, we'll go. Don't get me angry. Are you not a warrior too? Are you not a warrior? I'm asking you. A smart warrior at that. Why can't you use your smartness and then take the rest there? You're opening your eyes because of me.
Ikedia, let us go to that village and bring Ikoro back. Let's go together. Why you withdrawing yourself?
My word is my word. I am not going further.
Ikedia is
By the time I am there,
It's okay.
But
you can lead us to the boundary. The gods and my Chikachi will guide us.
Better. Let your gods guide you. Because me, I will not step an inch into Umabane.
Let us go get Ikoro. Let's go!
Personally, I'm not.
Let's go.
What, are you going to tell me when to go? What is let's go? It is in this one that you remember Ikedia.
Take us to the boundary like you said. Yeah, let's go.
After you.
I'm leaving already.
After you. I'm gonna go. This is where my journey ends. That is the boundary. So out of my benevolence, I decided to add a little step for you. Let the gods and your Chikachi protect you. I will be going.
Yeah. Where are you going? Let us continue our journey. How can you bring us here and leave us? Let's continue the journey, Ikedia.
Why must you bark like a dog? Haven't I told you? I don't want you to get me angry.
What are you saying? Ikedia!
Get over here! Are you not smart? Are you not a smart warrior? You can go to where you leave them now. You are the only person that know how we can. They will soon leave for now. I'm beating you. Ikedia!
My blood is finished. You have sucked all my blood. Please, free me. And I promise, the kingdom of Achaka shall penetrate my kingdom freely. Please, release me. Please. Release me, please.
I should free you.
Yes.
So that you can go and destroy everyone in Achaka. The great men that metamorphosed into me are almost here. When they get here, you shall tell them.
Please. Please free me. Please free me.
Ikoru, let's go. I made a great mistake. I should have killed you earlier.
Amuma! From the onset, I knew you were metamorphosed. Thanks to my chi for choosing a perfect day to destroy you. My chi in me will destroy you.
Like I told him, the great men that metamorphosed into me are on their way.
Let's go.
Let's go!